Unbounce Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Unbounce Affiliate Program Review. If you're thinking of promoting Unbounce, check the links in the description for more details. Let's dive straight into it. Unbounce is one of the leading landing page builders on the market, offering businesses an intuitive platform to create high-converting landing pages. Whether you're running advertising campaigns, generating leads, or increasing sales conversions, Unbounce's drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to design, test, and optimize your landing pages. What sets Unbounce apart is its AI-powered smart builder, which helps users create pages that automatically optimize for conversions. Now, let's talk about the Unbounce Affiliate Program. As an affiliate, you'll earn 20% recurring commissions for every customer you refer. The best part is that commissions are recurring, which means you'll continue earning for as long as your referral remains a customer. Unbounce has a high retention rate due to its exceptional customer service and top-tier product, making this a program with a lot of long-term earning potential. The affiliate program offers 30-day cookie tracking, meaning if someone clicks on your affiliate link and signs up within 30 days, you get the credit. It's a straightforward setup and easy to track your earnings through the affiliate dashboard. You can also access a variety of marketing materials, including banners, templates, and email copy to help promote Unbounce. The Unbounce Affiliate Program is perfect for marketers, content creators, and business owners who want to recommend a powerful landing page solution to their audience. If you have an audience that includes digital marketers, agencies, or small businesses looking to improve their lead generation or conversions, Unbounce is a highly recommended solution. In addition to great commission rates, Unbounce provides top-notch affiliate support to help you succeed. Their affiliate team is responsive and offers assistance whenever needed. In conclusion, the Unbounce Affiliate Program provides a solid earning opportunity with recurring commissions and a highly effective product that helps businesses grow. If your audience is looking for a simple yet powerful landing page builder, this is a program worth promoting. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching.